Okay, this whole area is Taikoo, so there's a lot of photographers and they do YouTube channels where they just capture the attractive women that walk by. And this whole row is kind of set up with them, so we're gonna walk all the way down to the entrance down there and try to capture some of it. And we'll just kind of see who they're filming as well. And we'll just kind of show you a little bit of the entrance part of Taikoo as well. It'll be kind of interesting to see it. So stay tuned, we're gonna see the photographers capturing the women who are walking down the strip and capturing like fashion shots. So stay tuned for that. We're back, Chengdu. So let me put it up on the map. So we're in this area called Taikoo, and if you watch a lot of videos about Chengdu, you'll see one where they're always filming like beautiful people, fashion and things like that. That's usually right here in Taikoo. So I did another video earlier where I was trying to capture people filming, and then this particular day I go back and I'm gonna try to do it again. And I'm catching it a little bit, but I feel like in this particular video I'm just giving an idea of Taikoo again. And I see a little bit of photographers around as well, but anyway, it's just kind of like, this is just the area that it's at. And it'll be my second time, so I'll know a little bit more than the first time. Anyways, nonetheless, Taikoo of Chengdu, and also I have 14 videos total of Chengdu. This is number 11. That means I just got 3 more left. And then down below, I'll have all the links down below so you can see all of them, all the past ones of Chengdu as well if you want to click around and check it all out. Anyways, let's check out Taikoo in Chengdu. Okay, so this is the strip where we see YouTubes where they say like Taikoo and they're filming people in this area. So we're gonna try to capture what we can capture of that in here. But it's kind of interesting to me like who they choose and why. And there's most of the photographers are up ahead a little bit. So we're gonna capture some of them, I think. And I saw yesterday where they would chase certain people that they deemed like very fashionable. And I think most of them are up front, but we'll see some any minute now as well. So it's funny how when you got the camera all set up, so over there's a photographer right there. So he's waiting. Right there in black. There's another guy with a camera there. And there he's looking as well. And how they choose who they choose is kind of a mystery. But I think they're looking for like fashion in particular, so I think the women have to be fashionably dressed a certain way. Actually, I don't see the photographers at all now. I just saw one. But they're kind of in this whole area. So here's one of them here. He's kind of waiting at the entrance here. So I don't know what he's looking for exactly. Okay, so I don't think there's going to be any more photographers past there. But they're waiting for ones to come through. Here's a couple more over here, so they're all waiting as well. So all those guys are waiting. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just see what they're waiting for. but I don't really see anything that looks like the kind that they're looking for, so. But anyways, this is Taikoo, and that's basically what the setup is. And then if we can see something interesting, then we will. So you can see Taikoo Li right there. Okay. So I guess we'll put an end to this one. Kind of short. Anyways, up front of Taikoo is kind of a... I wonder if they would capture her. Like, I just don't know what they're capturing exactly, so I don't know if it's capturing like anything that looks fashionable in any kind of way. And I don't see anybody in particular that looks like they would be the ones that really stand out. Oh. Okay. But that would be the stretch right there.
Chengdu, I wanna see Chengdu. I really wanna see Chengdu.